Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Lenovo K12. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K12 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here display. After click over display, you're going to find here something say wallpaper. Now here is the things you can choose live wallpaper, photo or wallpapers. Actually in this mobile only have only one preloaded wallpaper, but if you have a favorite picture and you want to set them, you can simply click here my photos and that will take you just like this, and you need to click here to choose photos, and then after click on photos you're going to see your mobile the photos available. For example, I would like to set this picture in my wallpaper, so if I click here set wallpaper, and you're going to see a pop-up appear. You need to click in this video purpose I would like to set this picture in my home screen, so I click here home screen and that's going to be set in my home screen. If I go back, you're going to see just now I had successfully changed my wallpaper in Lenovo K12. So within this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Lenovo K12. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.